Okay, just do question number 3 and 4. Yes. Kuta, I have asked to do the question number 3 and 4. Can you all see the screen? Yenuka, can you see the screen? Malindu, Adams, can you see the screen? Question number 3 and 4. The number system. Yenuka, can you hear me? Malindu. Yes. Yes. Yeah, Adams, can you see the screen? The question number 3 and 4. Can you see it? Yes. Okay. Write down the first two questions. Okay. Now first write down the questions. Question number 3 and question number 4 only. Huh? Question number 3 and 4 only. You're writing question number 3 and 4. Now just write it down. Then we'll start the lesson. We have to move to the pseudo code and the flow chart. So because of that, just copy down the questions. Online ones, just copy down the question number 3 and 4. I want to start the lesson. Because of that, just copy down the question number 3 and 4. Then we'll do it as a homework, or if we have time, we'll finish it. Online ones, have you all finished writing? Question number 3 and 4, have you all have finished? Yes, finished. Who is writing still? Over Liano Namputak Kianman Buta. Okay, Chenui. Question number 3 and 4 only, yeah? Sudha, you both can come front. Better be sir. I will give another 2 minutes time. Okay. Right. If you have finished copying, ඉවරන ටක්කා කරමු. සයන් කාලෙට පස්සේ හම්බෙලා තියෙන්නේ ඔය. මේ ඉස්කෝලේ පටන් ගත්තා නේද? ඉස්කෝලේ හම්බෙන්නේ නැද්ද? නෑ. එහෙනම් කවන්නේ. වෙලාව අරගෙන කතා කරන්න. Right. If you have finished copying, just do it. So I'll stop sharing this one. Okay, Putta. Can you see the whiteboard now? Chenumi, can you see the whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Right. So we are going to start today's lesson, right? Enter average marks to the system. Enter average marks to the system. If average greater than 75, display A. Average greater than 65, display B. Average greater than 55, display C. Else display fail. Okay, now you have to write a program. So in this program, what you all have to do, you have to check what you all have to do, you have to enter the average marks. After you have entered the average marks, right? You have to check the average marks greater than 75. Then you have to display A. If average marks greater than 65, display grade as B. Average greater than 55, display grade as C. Otherwise, display grade as fail. So that is the thing that you have to do. Okay. So try to understand. So every time check whatever things that I have given within the single quotations. Okay. Right. Enter the average marks to the system. If the average marks greater than 75, display A. Average marks greater than 65, display B. Average marks greater than 55, display C. Else display fail. So how you can do this one, right? First, try to understand the input process and output of the system. Okay. So you are going to write the pseudocode. Pseudocode means that with the help of the simple English language, you are explaining. With the help of the simple English language, you are explaining how you can write the solution for this one. So we will check how you can write this. Okay, do it fast. So that you can confirm. Enter average marks to the system. If average greater than, so if average is greater than 55 for C, just think that the marks are 80 is greater than C. Yeah. So yeah, greater than C. Yes, each and every like think like this, Buddha. You have to think about the logic, right? Now you are inputting the average marks. After you input the average marks, okay, Buddha, I'll do it. Okay, I think you have finished writing the question. Online ones, have you all finished writing the question? Shall I erase the question? I'm going to erase the question. Is it okay? කවුද තාම ලියන්නේ? කවුද තාම ලියන්නේ? Well, okay, right? Finish writing the answer. Yes. කවුද ඉවර? බෝඩ් එකට ලියන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. එහෙනම් විතරේ අදායට නගලා. So I'll check it. Yeah. Then you talk right. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to erase the question now. Yeah, Buddha. Any questions? Yes. Ask the question, Buddha. If you have the doubt, yes, ask. So look here, what we have to do, as we have learned, we have to start. We have to start. Then they have asked to input the average marks. Okay, so you are writing input. I'm taking AVG. Okay, so I'm writing here AVG is equals to average marks. Okay, right. So I'm including AVG. After that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to check this one. If AVG greater than 75, then, okay, then, right? You are inputting the average. After input the average, you are checking whether the average is greater than 75. If the average greater than 75, I'm taking a variable called grade. Okay, I'm taking a variable called grade, and grade is within single quotation. I'm giving a. Okay. I want to display a text. Okay, this is grade A. Okay, I'm taking grade, and it is equal to A. Then else. Okay, if condition, then else. Right? Inside the else, I'm going to use another if condition. Okay, inside this, I'm going to use another if condition. As I have mentioned last week, you have started from here. Then you are indenting. Okay, you are giving some space. You are giving some space. So input AVG, if AVG greater than 75, then grade is A. Else, again you are checking. If, another if come on. Inside else, if, okay, AVG greater than 65, then, okay, then what you are doing? Again you are taking grade is equal B. Again you are moving to the else part. Else, what will happen? Again you are checking. If AVG greater than 55, then what will happen here? The grade will be C. Again else. This is the last else part. So grade will be fail. Now if command you have to finish. So you are giving and if you have finished this if command. Now you have to finish this one. So you are giving and if. Then you have to finish this one. And if. Okay. So all the if commands finished. Now what you have done, you have input the average. After you have input the average, you have to check the marks whether it's greater than 75. If it is greater than 75, it is A. Right? If it is greater than 65, it is B. If it is greater than 55, it is C. Otherwise, it will be fail. End if. Finish. Now the logical operation finished. Now they have found the grade. Now what we have to do in this question? Okay, here. And if then you have to display, but the grade, you have to display the grade. You have to display the grade. So here you are displaying the grade. Then after that program finish, you are stopping. Oh, I have asked you to put end and put the full stop. Okay. Look what I have done. I have input the average. Then I have checked whether the average is greater than 75. Now think Kuta, you have input the average as 90. Okay, you have input 90. Then what will happen? If average is greater than 75, is it greater than 75? 90 is greater than 75? Yes. Then what will happen? The grade will be A. Grade will be A. It is not going to the else part. It is not going to the else part. So it will be grade A. So finally it will display on the screen. Grade will be A. Grade as A. Now think here. For the average you have given 67. Okay. So it will check average greater than 75. No. You are moving to the else part. If average greater than 65, yes, the grade will be B. You are not going to the else part again. So the grade will be B. Think here, they have input 49. Now what will happen? Average is 49. You are checking average is greater than 75? No. You are going to the else part. You are moving to the else part. Then you are checking if the average is greater than 49 is greater than 65. No. You are moving to the else part. Again you are checking 49 is greater than 55. No. So you are moving to the else part. Else is grade is fair. So it will take grade as fair. Then when it comes out of the end if, what will happen? They are asking to display. So it will display fair. It will display fair and end the program. So check with different averages how it will be appearing, how it will be giving the output. Okay, copy down there. Online ones, can you see the answer? Can you understand what I have wrote?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Try to understand the concept, Kuta. Try to understand the concept. Start, input the average. So you have input the average as 49. Then you are checking. Line by line it will move, right? Line by line. Line by line. Try to understand. Now, when teacher said your average is 59, what will happen? If you know the grading system, you know what is the grade for you. Neither. Automatically ඔයා හදනවනේ. ඔයාට ඉස්කෝලේදී results ටික හම්බුනම ඔයා හදලා බලනවා 75 වලට වඩා කීයක් වැඩිද මට A's කීයක් තියෙනවද? 65 වලට වඩා කීයක් වැඩිද මට B's කීයක් තියෙනවද? So you are doing the logical function. Logical. Logically, you are thinking. With the help of the greater than, less than symbols, you are thinking. Okay, right? You try to understand what kind of grade that I have taken. So the same thing here. Okay, right? You are also doing the same thing. Remember, you are also doing the same thing. Okay, when you get the marks, you are doing the same thing. If condition, you are checking. Logically, you are checking what kind of grade is for you. Yeah, why we have given 3 NDF Penidhi? Because, right, we have started 3 if commands. We have started 3 if commands. Because of that only we have given 3 NDFs. Okay, right? So because of that, we have given 3 NDF. On the next programs, we are going to minimize that if conditions. We'll see. Okay, finish. Right. Write the trace table with following test data. Write the trace table with following test data. Okay. Write the trace table with following test data. Average marks 91, 43, 69, 57. So they have given some test data. Okay, they have given some test data. They are asking to write the trace table. What is this trace table? They are asking to write the trace table. Okay, right? You are having something like this. So they are asking to write the trace table. How you can do this? See, Buddha, how you can do this now? Input average. Okay, input average. So what you are doing? You are taking AVG. So I'll take here AVG. Right? Input average. So we have the input average. What is the average marks? 91. Okay, 91. Average marks 91. Now what will happen? If average greater than 75, what we are doing? AVG greater than 75. Now just tell me, average greater than 75. Is average greater than 75? Is average greater than 75? Average is AVG is 91. Is 91 greater than 75? Yes. So we will take true and false. So it's true. So because of that, what will happen? It will move to grade. So if you take something called grade, Okay, grade. And what will be the grade? Grade is A. So it will give grade A. Right, grade A. Right? Now look here what has happened. Input average marks. So you have input 91. Okay, you have input 91. Now you are checking if the average is greater than 75. Yes, average is 91. 91 greater than 75. Yes, that is true. Then grade is A. Grade is A. Now is it going to the else part? No. It is going to the last one. Display grade. So that will be the output. What will be the output? Output will be A. Can you understand that? Can you understand? Okay, the first one I have checked. Put 43 and check it. 43 and check it. Online ones, can you understand how we have checked? First you have input 91 and according to 91 you have checked. Okay, right? According to 91 you have checked. First